Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mary Z Easy Recipes. Today I have the pomegranate here and I have some organic carrots here. You know what, I'm going to make a pomegranate juice using the pomegranate and the iris. You know what, over the years I was never a fan of pomegranate, and I used to see others enjoying this fruit. And when I looked at the iris, the little seeds inside the pomegranate, it used not to appetize me. I never had the appetite to eat them. But as time went on over the years, and now I've become a fan of pomegranate. From the day I tasted pomegranate up till now, I really love this fruit. I love the taste of pomegranate. I love its juiciness, So this is the story of me with pomegranate. So today I'm going to make a juice using the pomegranate and these organic carrots. So pomegranate is a very good crop. It's a very good fruit with the little seeds called the irils. And these irils are loaded with vitamins and minerals. Pomegranate is believed to be very good for the gut. It has lots of fiber. It is also very good for the heart health, because it is loaded with the minerals, which like potassium, which contribute to the heart health. So come with me as we prepare this amazing pomegranate juice. So we are going to juice pomegranate and carrots. So come with me as we juice these two. And the irils, as they are called, are really amazing. I want you to see the irils. They are really amazing. Look at that. There goes the irils. These are the irils. These are the irils which have been washed and are ready to go into the blender. And I have some organic carrots here. So now we are going to chop these carrots. We know and they have been washed already. So we are going to chop the carrots and ready for the blender. As I chop these carrots here, can you please consider subscribing to the channel? I'll be really grateful if you do that. So we are chopping the carrots. They are really clean, washed, and these are organic carrots. These are organic carrots. So as we chop this, we are going to be, to have this amazing pomegranate carrot juice. And the two combine into a flavor which you will really enjoy. So this is pomegranate and carrot juice. So our pomegranate and carrot are now ready. Pomegranate and carrot. So we just, we just put them in the blender where there is about 1,000 mils of water, and we enjoy this juice. Pomegranate, and look at that. This is the pomegranate, and we are now putting it into the blender. So let's see how it goes. Pomegranate and carrot juice. So this is our pomegranate, well washed. Pomegranate believed to be good for the heart health, believed to be good for the gut because it has flavor. And I really love pomegranate. It is such an amazing fruit. The irils are really amazing. These are the seeds. They are called irils. So let's do the blending now. We are doing the blending. Pomegranate, organic carrot juice, done. And please do remember to subscribe to the channel as we finish this amazing juice, pomegranate and carrot. So all we have to do is to sieve. We are going to sieve this juice now. So all we do is to sieve the juice. Let's sieve the juice and taste, give it a taste. So that's our pomegranate and carrot juice. The color is a mild red color because it has been sort of neutralized by the carrot. So that's our juice there. Now we need to taste this juice. Let's taste this juice. Wow, look at that. Look at that amazing juice. Pomegranate and carrot. Let's give this a taste. Let's give this a taste. It's delicious. It's really delicious. The two have sort of come together to form this delicious juice. Wow, I love this juice. No sugar added, no honey added, but palatable. I can't stop drinking this. So if I chill it a little bit more, it will be really, really delicious. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this juice. Making of this juice. Pomegranate and organic carrot. Thanks everybody for watching this amazing juice.